Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to make a project with motion and look blocks. Here we have the cat sprite, but if you want you can change the sprite to whatever you desire. For now we will stick with cat. And for the backdrop, we will change the backdrop to something else like a basketball court. We can customize our sprite by selecting the sprite first and then clicking on costumes above. We have 2 costumes for our sprite, and of course, we can add more. But here we will change custom too. So that's the customized place where we can change our sprite appearance. We will change its color to red. And also we'll draw a circle shape resembling a ball. Let's return to the code block editor. Now we will use the code blocks. So first, we go to event and then choose when green flag clicked. Second, we will use motion block. And we will choose move 10 steps block, but you can choose whatever motion block you desire. Now, as you can see, if you click on the green flag above, the sprite will move in steps of 10 pixels. In the looks block, select switch costume to costume 2, or choose any other action from the looks blocks as desired. Here we have these coding blocks together. These blocks will make the sprite move and change its appearance to costume 2. As you can see the sprite moving and changing appearance. Thank you for your attention.